Hello guys, this is your modern day spokesman and welcome to the channel. If you are new, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and also like the video so that you don't miss out on any future videos. So today we're going to be looking at IAS standard 16 changes in estimates with regard to the useful life. This is part 1 of 2. No? So here we go. On the 1st of July 2011, Soshanduka Group bought a manufacturing machine for 80,000. Note that, and was available for use on the same date, with a useful life of 5 years. No residual value, which means our residual value was nil. On 30 June 2013, this is 13, this is a 3 there. The useful life was re-estimated to be 2 years. The residual value remained unchanged. The company depreciates assets on a straight line basis over the estimated useful life. Our year end is 30 June. Now, quickly, guys, you need to note something here. The re-estimation of the useful life of this manufacturing machine occurred on 30 June 2013, right? This is a re-estimation that occurred at the end of the year, right? On the second video, part 2, the re-estimation occurred at the beginning of the current year. So here it's at the end. So this is very key. Now we'll have to calculate the depreciation, the accumulated depreciation to our current year, right? So the machine was bought at cost on 1st July, and this is our current year, runs from 1st July 2012 to 31 June 2013, right? So to 30 June. So the cost is 80,000. Our useful life we're given is 5 years. So that means our depreciation on a straight line is 16,000. So this is the accumulated depreciation from 1 July 2011 to 30 June 2012. So to our current year. So our carrying amount at the beginning of the year will be 640,000, right? So now this period our machine now has a useful life of 4 years, right? This is before the estimation, right? At the beginning of the year we still have 4 years. So depreciation for the current year, the depreciation for the current year has to be calculated like this. Now, since that they told us that the re-estimation was 2 years, we were told that there's 2 remaining years, right, at the end of the current financial year. So that means our asset, instead of having a useful life of 4 years, will come back to 2 years. Now, this is the key part, right? So when we calculate our depreciation, we take into consideration the new re-estimated life, when we also have to add 1 year. Now you might ask, why are we also adding the 1 year, which gives us the 3 years on the depreciation? It's because, guys, the depreciation occurred at the end of the financial year, right, at the last day. So that means from the period of 1 July from 1 July 2012 during the year before this date where the depreciation occurred, right? Before the re-estimation occurred, we have a year which we need to consider before the re-estimation was actually done. So this is the year that we are talking about. But if the re-estimation was done during the beginning of the year, we would only consider the 2 years. But now, since the re-estimation was done at the end of the year, we also have to consider that 1 year where the re-estimation had not yet occurred. So that means your depreciation would be 21333. We minus it from the carrying amount, and now the carrying amount at the end of the year is 42667. This is how it would look on a per PPE note, right? The carrying amount, as we calculated, would be 6400 at a cost of 80,000. The accumulated depreciation before the re-estimation, the depreciation during the year, the one that we calculated, and this would be our carrying amount. So this is how you would make that look on your PPE note. Nda.